Are you a busy professional who needs to stay productive on the go? Then look no further than the Acer Travelite. This innovative laptop seamlessly combines unmatched power with a lightweight, portability and robust security features. Designed to empower today's workforce, the Travelite laptop ensures you can tackle any task anywhere. Powered by Intel Core processor. This cutting-edge laptop supports up to 13th generation Core i7 processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance to all your computing needs. Weighing in at a mere 1.34 kilograms and boasting a durable military-grade, MIL standard certified robust aluminum chassis. The Travelite laptop is built to withstand the rigors of travel and everyday use without sacrificing portability. Crafted from premium aluminum, the Travelite laptop combines lightweight portability with military-grade ruggedness. Its sleek modern design makes it a stylish and a professional companion for the boardroom or on-the-go work. With dual-channel memory support of up to 64 GB and a 1 TB SSD, experience seamless multitasking and ample storage for all your files and applications. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with the Travelite laptop's 35.56 cm, 14-inch Full HD resolution display. With more than 82% body-to-screen ratio, it delivers crisp, clear images for work or entertainment. The Travelite laptop is designed for ease of use. Intuitive features and a user-friendly interface make it perfect for anyone, regardless of technical expertise. Get started quickly and focus on what matters most, your work or entertainment. The Travelite laptop is a perfect companion for today's hybrid agile workspace. Its lightweight design makes it easy to switch between your work at home or office. Powerful performance and long battery life ensures you can stay productive no matter where you are. Safeguard your privacy with a built-in camera shutter, giving you peace of mind in today's digital world. Enhance your security and productivity with optional features like the fingerprint reader and backlit keyboard, offering convenient access and usability in any environment. Enjoy unmatched flexibility with Travelite laptop's 180-degree hinge design, allowing you to adjust the screen to your preferred viewing angle with ease. Meet the Acer Travelite, the ultimate blend of power, portability and effortless productivity. Stay secure with the Acer Travelite laptop comprehensive security suite, featuring a built-in TPM 2.0 security chip for hardware-based encryption and enhanced data protection. Experience stunning visuals and smooth performance with Intel Iris graphics, delivering vibrant colors and seamless graphics for your multimedia needs. Rest assured knowing the Acer Travelite laptop meets the highest standards of quality and safety, with certifications including MIL Standard CE, CB, FCC, Energy Star 8.0 and RoHS standards. Acer Travelite laptop. Power, portability and effortless productivity. Elevate your computing experience with Acer Travelite laptop.